All right. um okay, I'm going to do like this to see if there is anyone here putting a comments on my screen. Let me check the comment. Alright, welcome back to my live stream. Just now we just run a few hours of doing a live stream and talks about Omni futures. To be honest, this is not a professional talks of professional someone from professional sharing their experience about crypto. Obviously, right? I'm just a random guy who wants to talk and got the access of this a little bit called Omni Futures, right? So this is basically my earliest experiment of finding out what's good and what's not about this platform. For those who just joined us or join me today, thank you for joining. This is Van Crypto, right? We will talk a little bit about crypto and the rest of. I think it's not. Um, it's the things that you could enjoy probably not 100% speaking about financial and all that, right? Plus this is only, where is it, this is just for fun, I would say, for fun, because I just got a little of the access of these things called Omni Futures with some of the tokens for a testing, so that we can do a little bit of trading today, right? So for those who don't know about this, Omni Futures is actually a platform from the LBank. I think it is. We can call it we can call this kind of product sub will under, it will put under the futures trading on the LBank, right? This is a sub product which is um um sub product for the futures trading. So basically, this Omni feature is actually a little bit different from what you can actually see on futures trading, normal futures trading, because of the concept that they've been using in this one. I would say like it's pretty crazy to see this kind of method been using in established or very reputation good reputation exchange, which is the LBank, right? And then I would say that this button right here seems very clickable, and then it seems like a platform that you can call it as a betting platform. Yeah. So that was a tricky part, I would say, because for someone who don't like or allergic to scam, or allergic to something fishy inside this community, I mean this in crypto community, they wouldn't like this one. I'm just telling you the truth. But of course, without having any explanation to it, I think it wouldn't be fair for everyone to assume that it's not good for you, right? So I hope you can stay in this channel or stay in this live stream for quite some times, or just having like 2 or 3 minutes asking a question, and I'll just straight away telling you guys about this, right? So far from my experience, from my opinion, based on doing the exploration about 2 or 3 hours till today, I will say that this one is quite not bad, right? Because it's very easy, very quick trade, very profitable, and very accessible, I would say. So without further ado, I think we can just try to click on some button. Let's see how it works, how it is um exciting, I would say, for this kind of new platform that only have inside this LBank for now, for now on, right? I think um I don't really see it inside others crypto exchange, like for example, like of course for crypto supporters or crypto community, they will be always look out for Binance, right? Because they do have like a standard benchmark on certain level of any product for the crypto, right? But this one I think very new and very weird, I would say, because it comes from the other side of the community, which is the LBank community. Okay, so yeah, without before I would explain to you guys about this one, just to let you know, this is still on a testing phase. So you cannot literally jump into the LBank and then find this um uh product, which is the Omni Futures, right? So I just gotten the access from them, so that they wanted to see my review or my thoughts on this one. So here we go. We can explore it together without having an access also is fine, right? So you can actually see this my screen. This is the interface that you might see once it got finished or officially launched in the LBank. Okay. For those who just joined, thank you so much for joining the live stream today. I can see one people coming in just now. Hello, hi, welcome to the live stream. Okay, so just now about for the part one just now, as you can see in this video, this is the Omni features, right? The topic we'll be discussing is about trading or gambling. The reason why I say it's a trading or gambling because we don't want to misinterpret someone of seeing this button could be similar to the betting platform, because you can actually um from the explanation that I got so far before this on the part one, this seems to have a misunderstanding between a gambling, right? So this is not a gambling, but it can turns up into a gambling once you actually setting it that way. For example, like we have discussed before. For example, if you are playing a football, right? The game football itself is not a gambling unless if you are betting with someone on for we betting with someone who would would it be to score it first, right? So that suddenly and automatically become a gambling, right? Without you noticing it, right? So this is a similar situation that I could apply to that situation, like in terms of the football, right? So the button is there in this Omni feature. The button is there. The concept is still there, but the way how you trade um, can be differentiated between gambling or it is a trading, right? So for those who want to call it gambling, then sure you can actually call it whatever you want, right? But whatever you want, right? But I must saying that this one is not because of the way that we've been trying to test it out, and I actually earned quite a few dollars just now for this part one, and it's quite happy, right? All right, let's start with this again, right? So just now we've been discussing, we actually want to go discuss further about this token, right? So how is it for someone who wants to start trading? How is it going to be like, right? How are you going to select this coin? Is it good for trade or not, right? I think on a personal side of me, I would say that the best coin that you should trade is the most coin that are stable, right? For example, like this one, you can actually see the 1 hour chart, the area that they've been trading, buying and selling, shorting and long market is actually on this area only, not like this uptrend or downtrend that you can barely see it in the short time frame, right? Unless for example like Bitcoin, it will take like around 3 to 5 years to see that kind of market going downtrend, like very massive one. So I would say that Bitcoin is a very stable coin, right? Stable one for you to trade. That's why a lot of people trading it, right? Unlike for those shit coin, I would say shit coin, that the characteristic is a bit similar than a meme coin, right? So the meme coin is having is actually very risk for you to trade inside the normal futures or option or spot trading or margin or whatever, right? But this one is different because of the safety or the risk management by the LP, and also by the AI, which is the liquidity as launch LAL model that prevent it happens. Meaning to say, if you put like a certain dollar, like $10, you only lose $10, not more than that. So how was it actually can mix up between these two. The first one is the risk. About meme token, the risk is very high, right? And then this Omni features the risk that is actually you can control it. Then when it's mixed together, I think it will find a good formula for you to earn, and then to see this is as a new opportunity, right? So we move on to the next one. Probably for another coin, we could not see like this kind of pattern. Let's try DIH. So DIH, I think I know this coin. DIH coin means not it's not a good word, right? But I think this one can be seen a very volatile market, which is very not stable, I would say. But in case if you want to try shorting it, it seems like it happened that way, the downtrend. Why don't we just try to put it like very low, $5 for 1x, to see how it's happened. Right? I'm sorry, this is, oh, I was long just now. I should I should shorting it, right? So I'm just gonna put like $5 with 1x, with possible ROI which is 100%, right? So I'm gonna put it right here and see if it's the market moving good or bad, right? And then I would just open another one, which is, I think my favorite one just now is selfie, because I just earned selfie just now, like put it 1M, 1 minute, right? We need to the recommended time frame for this system, our call system. I think previously we did had some recommendation to setting it to 1 minute time frame, so that we can have a better opportunity to earn it. And now we can go like $10 for long position. Okay, since we already see this chart, and we earn oh my god. So the selfie was told to force close the position because it's already shorting. It was bad, really bad. So 100%, my $10 was wiped out just now. But I like this coin because the chances are there, right? So maybe you can do another try. How about we just go to check what is this selfie coin is all about, right? Okay, selfie dog coin. I think this is it. No, it's not. The picture is different. Where else we can find this? Not this one. How about we search it on here? Yeah, this is the one. This is a pump fund, the one that we integrated with the OMNI futures, right? It seems like this is some kind of the famous person taking a selfie. Mm-mm-mm. I cannot find it actually. I think because it's very small meme token. That's why that is why you cannot find it anything about it, right? How about we can try to enlarge it and see if there is anything we can do on this market, for example, like the analysis or how, not sure, right? It's for sure is going red again, which is suitable for us to open a short. I think just now we just got forced liquidation, and it is shows that yeah, the market is not really great for the pump right now at the moment. How about we choose another coin? See, oh, corgi. This one is good. We're about to test. Um, okay. Now we actually can see from here if it's happened to touch this line, right? We are making some prediction or assumption right here. So once it touch this line, the one that I show it to you, and then either it goes up or down, it decided where it should move next, right? So we are going to wait on that part to see how my prediction would show up. Ooh, going red again. Another red coming in. I'm surely gonna put short onto that one for sure. Mm-hmm. Wait for another minute. Okay, 1 minute ended. There's a new coin named TikTok just listed in here. This one having a good time, you see. I'm going to close this one and open this one for a quick pump. Let's see how much we earned just now. How is it exactly? So I actually earned around $10, which is from my initial capital. The opening and closing fee was really small, and then I just earned like around 24 cent. Yeah, this is more like it. So that's why you cannot actually trade it. Ooh. How about we do some like this? Cannot trade anymore. How about try with TikTok? I hope you guys seeing this. How easy it was to use this Omni futures. Alright, the reason why we do this kind of these experimental things, right? It is just to show that this Omni futures is actually easier than you would think, right? For example, if I'm saying that trading futures as an overall, it makes someone to think that I'm going to talk I'm going to talk a lot about financial, I mean in a way that we usually do like a technical analysis, right? I'm not saying that Omni Futures does not require you to do a technical analysis, but it seems like for most of the meme token, we we kind of not doing this all the time, right? Because of the meme coins that possibly will not um, give you a good narrative, and also 100% depending on the memes or the hypes that been making from someone or the individual that raised this token. So that's why it become hype, and then thanks to our LP, which is a liquidity provider, to allow us to trade this meme coin in here. Okay, I don't think that I don't have any. Oh, so just now is the TikTok was forced liquidate immediately, and I was shorting it, and it's currently shorting it more. 10415 0417. Oh my god, oh my god. You see, this is what been really interesting to watch me get wrecked, right? I hope you like it. I'm still checking if someone here would want to having a chat with me. Then I will welcome to you. Welcome to the live stream. So this is when crypto. We were talking about crypto. We were talking about Omni futures for now. Any discussion would related which is related to crypto also are welcome in this chat, right? Okay, by looking at it is by looking at this TikTok token, right? Um, as you guys know already, so the token creation time was was happen was happen from when the time that they actually listed out from the internal platform, which is the pump fund, to the OMNI features, which is the LBank, right? So it was created on change about 21 minutes ago, and then coming to this platform, which is OMNI futures, about 8 minutes ago. I think if you want to keep tracking tracking the coins, I think we can just do it like this. So this is the pump fund, which is the internal platform for you to actually refer. There's a new meme coin coming in, right? Yeah, this is the one which is a TikTok. If we try to click on it, all time high was 22. Oh, this is the market cap. Oh, is it the price? Hmm. No, it's not the price. This is the market cap. What else? We try to see a new coin. Oh, it's actually another TikTok coin. We try to copy here and then place it here. Search. Uh-huh. This is the one. Brain Rot Sydney. Look, guys. At the moment, I think we should uh do some of the testing, right? Because we've been talking about all the theory, all the explanation about all these key features or all these top function for Omni features like in a long time, right? So I think this is a good time for us to do some kind of testing it. Excuse me. No more trade can be made for this one. Okay, I think I got it now because every time when this kind of thing happen, right? I think it reflected from what I've been saying about the LP, which is the similar situation that are in the football stadium just now. So it been saying that for, let's say, we had a football match in the stadium, right? Then suddenly all the tickets has been sold out, right? And then there's no one could be there's no one can be buy the tickets because of the stadium is already full, unless there is someone go out from the stadium and then we can actually replace them in the seat, right? So it is, I think it's a similar situation like here. um let's say the trading has gone full with a lot of people buying it or set or long it, right? So it happens that you cannot actually have more space for you to um go short because of the quota is already full, right? I hope you get it. I hope you understand about this one. Or is it I'm talking like the opposite way? I'm not sure about it, but in my way, in my understanding, it could be that way, right? So that's why on this button right here, you cannot actually simply doing a trade because there's the quota is already full. I saw two people coming in the chat. I wanted to say hi to you guys. Hello, hi. How about we check on the TikTok just now? It seems like you can already trade it because um the the how long it will it be last for the pumping for 1 minute, right? Let's see how long it will stay on that way. Ooh, ooh. How about we check if there is any reading materials in here? Okay, so some of you guys might know this one is a custom setting for quick button that appear in here, right? So you can actually put like simply $1, $5, or even $100 in here, and just click confirm. Okay, so it will automatically for a long zone button right here will automatically change to the designated the one that you just custom just now. Okay, I think this is no like ordinary trading platform. I mean, it's the system, right? Because of the OMNI features is just currently on testing phase, right? So I don't think they have any reading materials, for example, to explain about all of these and there. So that's why it's really standard on to this thing called setting on the candle or anything like the ticker itself, right? All right, I think we can put it aside first on the chart just now. I know some of you guys been boring to see the chart has been um in that way for such quite a long time, right? So um I think since I got the chance to talk to you guys, like for these two people just come in, Hello, this is Van Crypto. We'll talk a lot more about crypto. From now on, we just started a new channel called Van Crypto. So you are welcome to see. Maybe in the future we could have some kind of different topic, not limited to only crypto, right? And I think this will be constantly being do a live stream probably on every day. I'm not sure. Depends on the topic, depends on the current issue and all that. Basically I just created this channel. Previously I was doing on a different side of the live stream, right, but not in YouTube. Probably you can find me there. Welcome to you guys who just joined the live chat or the live stream today. So I can see like this on this current time we do have like three people inside the live chat. Okay, so I think we're going to bring in the things that we about to talk just now, which is the Omni features, right? Okay. I know some of you guys might wondering where is the button is actually for any user to start trading this Omni features, right? So I'm telling you guys this. So basically, I just gotten the access to this Omni feature recently from the LBank, right? So basically, they hope that I can give a review or give a thoughts or give any comments about this so that I can do some testing with the token, do the testing token that they give me like around. I still got it like 9,009K of USDT for me to test it out, right? Probably in the future or in some days I would also want to see we can do like a large investment like more than $10 or more than $20, right? So it's just a matter of time right now. I think when the chances are there, I'm glad that when the chances are there, I will be happy, more than happy to show it to you guys that I'm losing the money, right? Because that is all everyone wants to see, right? So that's why I've been doing this for now, because I wanted to show you guys that this money we could spend it like everything and wipe it out to see if it's really happening or not for these Omni features. Is it really good or is it really bad for you guys? Okay. What is Space Cat? This is a community driven meme token inspired first cat. Okay. Okay. So meaning to say this coin is already has a good story behind it, right? Let's see. This is already, oh, not a bad chart, I would say. For those who know how to trade this kind of chart, you can straight away telling me, you can guide me whatever, right? Then we can do it together, because I do have like still a lot of money with me. Hope you guys can help me. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys about this. I think this one is a bit important for everyone also to know. So, so every time when the token having a migration from pump fund, right, from the internal platform to this Omni futures, right. So basically, there will be a buffer between them to get it listed in here, right? Without that happening, it is impossible for the liquidity provider to pump the li- uh, pump the liquidity inside it, right? So that's why you can actually see some of the coin right here, kings, for example. They got a buffer like 3 minutes from the on change, which is the from the fund pump fund. Then after 2 minute, 1 minute after, which is basically 2 minute after before, right? We just got it listed in here. So from here to here is actually took like 1 minute, and then after 1 minute, then they just got listed in here, right? So the M circle is right here. It shows that the asset just transfer, which means the liquidity just transfer to sorry, this King's meme code just transfer to this Omni features. So basically, the M circle is a signal, means that the token is migrated from the internal platform, which is a pump fund pool, to the external pool. So this is the external pool. Um, Before the migration, you can only trade it on the pump fund, which is the internal one. So basically, if you see that logically, if you want to see most of the coins that are not listed in here, for example, like you were looking for your coins, which is I'm not sure about it also, right? Probably you can find it in the pump fund platform, right? But I'm not sure how to use it. I'm not really sure, is it we can really trade the coin in here. And I really don't want to know, because what the hell is this, man? How about we check on the just now kings, all the king, yeah, this one. You can actually buy this token. Okay, how about we go um checking on the some coin today, right? So this one, mm-hmm. What does this show today in here? I never get chances to actually check on this part. I think it's exactly the same as what it shows here. Hmm. Oh, I think it's cause just got worse situation that I can imagine for this one on already, right? Because I know it will be reacting the same way as the previous, which is this one, and also this one. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think we should find another coins that bring more excitement. I cannot stand for it anymore. I think I'll just sell it right away, and then there's no earning at all. Okay, now I'm checking on the chat if someone is here. Mm, okay, just got something interesting in here. Okay. Okay. So someone been asking me about the specialty inside this Omni futures, right? So basically we just covered all these thing previously. I know it sounds like a very it's actually very easy for me to explain to you guys about what are the special on this product of the Omni features, right? The best thing I can say is all about the speeds, about the speed, about the quickness of the trading, right? For example, like you if you kind of looking for the meme coins that you just saw it in anywhere, right? You can actually straight away straight away join in Omni features and then trade it without any limitation, I would say, right? And then for the asset as well, I mean, for the um, coins that they will list it in here is actually on change meme token, which is these are the low market caps token with high volatility, right? To break out, but high probability to death. So actually, um, the risk is there, but the risk is for you is not there because the risk is can be controlled by the system, which is the LEL system, the model that we use inside this Omni feature, right? So for the trading experience also, I think the we are just one click away to open or to close any position. And also um, for the safety features like stop loss or limit order or any tools that we been using inside the normal trading, right? It's all automatically been set by the LP or by the person in house in here, because of the isolated margin, which is very interesting. I think you can dig that up on the Google, try to find what is all about, which is the isolated margin that they use in any trading platform, which is you can actually use it in derivatives trading, not spot, not a normal spot trading, right? So this LAL, which is named as a liquidity as launch model, right? Lots of trading opportunities and exclusive contract on a small market cap memes, right? So basically, they've been using it previously, these models to actually cater for the small market caps, especially on the meme tokens, right? Why do I open my own stream, right? Okay, I think that's it. That will be for now. Thank you for tuning in to my live stream today. We've been mentioning a lot about features and a lot about how it works, how the risk is actually control us, the profit control the losses when you're investing in here, and some of the button in here that we previously might not know about it, but now today we already know about it, right? For example, like the M circle things and the all the quick open position right here. We already know how was it really cap the price or the investment or the asset that we put in inside this Omni features, right? I think that will be all for it today. I think we will continue to talk a lot more crucial or a lot more importance in terms of Omni features in the future or probably tomorrow, right? I hope you guys got some input from watching this live stream, and I hope we can see at on a different social platform, not only on YouTube, probably on TikTok, on everything, right? So I guess see you guys in a bit. So bye bye. Thank you.